Imagine you can create a complete video with one single prompt. Well, you can stop imagining, that time is here. There's a new tool that you can give a prompt, click generate, and it will create a complete video existing of a video script, a voiceover, and video footage for you, making this a perfect tool for people that want to create videos without showing their face, yet still make money on YouTube. Now that you've got a full video generated, you can give it instructions to further customize your video. You can change the clips, change the script, the voiceover, whatever it is you need. Get ready, the future is here, and the best part, it is free to try. Here we are on the dashboard in the platform. This is called invideo AI, which is different from the standard invideo tool that you might have seen already. You can see this button right there that says create AI video, start from scratch. If you click on this, you open up this page. This is kind of like ChatGPT, where you have to give it a prompt in order to generate a result. Next up, you need to give the software a topic and detailed instructions for it to generate a video. So this is the part where we decide which video to make. In today's video, I'm gonna create a similar video like this: top 10 cheapest countries to live lavishly on $1,000 a month. This video is indeed monetized and it has 1.7 million views on a channel with 50k subscribers, making this video an outlier. If I quickly play the video for you, what you'll see is that there's no crazy editing being done. It's a lot of B-roll with a voiceover, as well as sometimes some transitions and text up on the screen. If we take a look at this channel, you can see the whole channel is monetized, and with 150 videos, they got over 50,000 subscribers, as well as views up into the millions. In fact, this channel is getting 1.6 million views every single month without showing their face. And the best part, we can create very similar videos with the tool that I'm using today. So it's safe to assume that this channel right there is making at least $5,000 a month, potentially even up to 10k. Let me now show you how we can generate videos like this with the tool I'm showing you today. First of all, we need to give it a topic. Since this video is about the top 10 cheapest countries to live lavishly on 1k per month, the video that I want to make is the top 5 cheapest countries for digital nomads, which is very similar to that original video. So here's my prompt: top 5 cheapest countries to live the digital nomad lifestyle on $1,000 per month. Please create an in-depth informational video going over the 5 cheapest countries people can go to and live with just 1k per month while working remotely. Right towards a viewer that's interested in finding out the best location so that they can live the digital lifestyle over there. What I can then do next up is select the workflow, so you can do this with shorts, explainer videos, or recent events videos. Because this is a listicle type of video, I'm gonna go with YouTube explainer. Do note that this just came out, so there will be more workflows added very soon. Next up, you can choose the length of the video. Create a blank YouTube video about. So I'm gonna generate a 10-minute full video. The example video is about 13 minutes, so I want to make a similar length video, so I'm going to choose 10 minutes to do that. Then right there, you can give it more prompts. Give me an engaging topic and things we should talk about and not talk about. So I'll paste the same prompt as well as give it some additional information. Please be very clear and give valuable information per country, because the intention with these kind of videos is to make sure that the viewer can figure out which location is going to be the best for them. So in order for us to make the best video, we need to provide them with value. This is not specifically very entertaining or very crazy stuff, valuable content. Next up, you can give it some optional creative directions. For example, make this video your own by adding detailed creative thoughts and ideas like the tone, humor, etc. So I'm going to say start the video with the aim of informing the people what this video is about, get straight to the point, and bring the viewer the 5 cheapest countries to live the digital nomad life. What I'm going to say next up is you may include one joke in the intro of the video. Let's see if I can actually do that. Next up, we can choose background music. For example, dark and hunting, upbeat, happy, etc. I'm going to make this upbeat as that really fits well for these kind of videos. Then you can choose the voiceover. So I'm going to go with a male voiceover. You can also choose female, and then you can choose an accent, clear American, Californian, etc, etc. Indian English, young Indian, they have everything available. I'm just going to go with a clear American voice. Then next up, you can add your own watermark in case you would like. So for example, let's say my channel is called Digital Nomades. I can type that in and that will be featured. Next up, choose iStock normally or any of the other options in case you would prefer that. I'll just go with this as it's best for me. Then I'm going to click continue. Then we have all of our instructions right here. All I need to do now is click generate a video, and it's going to blast out a full video, script, voiceover, and content. I'll show you the result in a bit. As soon as it's done preparing the video, you can choose the following things. So for which audience is this video? Is it digital nomads, budget travelers, remote workers? So I'm going to stick to digital nomads. Then the look and feel, minimalist, modern, bright, or professional. I'm gonna go with bright. And then the platform is gonna be YouTube. Then click continue, and here we go. It is now gonna create our full video. And take a look at this. Within 2 minutes, this entire video was created. It is 9 minutes and 20 seconds long. It has all the footage, it has a voiceover, the script was generated. I have this entire video. I'll play what it looks like for you right now.
Welcome digital nomads and aspiring globetrotters. In this video, we'll unveil the 5 cheapest countries where you can live comfortably on just $1,000 a month. In the age of the internet, the world has truly become our office. The rise of digital nomadism, where work is no longer tied to a physical location, has given us the freedom to roam the globe, laptop in hand. However, not all destinations are created equal. The cost of living, internet speed, safety, and lifestyle are all factors that can dramatically impact your digital nomad experience. Choosing the right country is as significant as choosing the right career. So whether you're a seasoned nomad or planning your first remote work escape, finding the right location can make all the difference. And hey, who said you can't enjoy a tropical sunset while answering emails? So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a budget-friendly journey around the world.
Okay, now what if you don't like any of the clips or something that was said in the script? Don't worry, you can change all of it. First of all, click edit, and then you can click edit media or edit script. If I want to change the opening scene, I'll click edit media. All of the scenes will then show up right here. So these are all of your scenes in your video. You can also click on the scene, and then that part of the script will get highlighted so that you know when that is playing. In order for me to change the first scene, I can click on search right here, or I can upload my own files, so that is also possible. I will search for Bali. I can then scroll down and choose between millions of high quality stock footage clips. For example, this looks absolutely stunning. If I then click replace, it will be shown up here. If I then click apply, we're just changing the intro scene, and here we go, that just worked. Within just a few seconds, you can change the clips. If I now preview this,
digital nomads and aspiring globetrotters. In this video,
you will see that we have Bali in the background. Perfect. What about the script? Let's say you don't like what is being said. You can click on edit script. The entire script will show up right here, including chapters. That is something I really like. So this is the introduction. Then we've got the chapter Vietnam. We've got chapter India, Ukraine, Bolivia, conclusion, which is cool to see. So from here, you can simply type whatever it is that you would like to add or remove. For example, let's say I don't like this sentence, I'll then remove it. In the age of the internet, anything is possible. So we're now changing the script, just like this, click apply changes, and there you go, it is now doing that. Additionally, you can also edit with conversation. So instead of clicking on buttons, you can give it a prompt to change whatever, and it will also do that. When you click there, it's gonna give you examples. However, what I'm gonna do is change the voiceover to a woman. Change voiceover to female, generate, and there we go, it's changing the voiceover to a female. And it said change the voice to a new one. Let's preview it.
Welcome digital nomads and aspiring globetrotters. In this video,
and there we go, it now is a female voice. Isn't that insane? Change current stock to a video drone shot of a forest. Click right there, click generate, and it's doing that exact thing. So this is prompt to video, not text to video, prompt to video. Insane. Now let's say that you're not happy with the current result. What can you do? There's this regenerate button. If you click on this, you can change the settings and regenerate the video. So for example, let's change the audience to remote workers, change the look and feel to professional, and then the platform will stick to YouTube, and then click continue. As you can see right now, it's gonna regenerate another example of our current video with the same prompt. And there we go, our new video just came back. This one is 10 minutes and 50 seconds long, and here's what it looks like.
First on our list is Vietnam, a Southeast Asian gem with...
As you can see, pretty much the same, however, just a new version, different transitions, different clips, and this one looks pretty fantastic to me. I'm now happy with the result. I need to download the video. How do I do that? There's this export button right here, which allows you to export the video. You can also export project to timeline, but I'll get to that in a bit. You can select the export resolution. I'm gonna go with 1080p, no watermarks, and no branding. You can get started with invideo AI for free. However, if you're serious about video creation and you wanna publish videos without a watermark, which I definitely recommend, that can actually perform well, you should upgrade to a paid plan, which starts as low as just $20 per month. I'll leave a link for you in the description down below to check that out. Now what I like even more is this right here. If your video has been flagged for copyright on YouTube, copyright assistance. So in the unlikely chance of that happening, they won't leave you alone. They actually have a button to help you out. So it is currently rendering our video. I'll show you the final result at the end of my video. What it has just generated without human interference is already insane. However, the good part, it only gets better from here. invideo is actually working on making it possible to fully edit and customize the videos. This is currently in beta, however, as soon as they've got some feedback from invideo AI as it is right now, they can start enabling that feature. So for full editing and full control of your video, you can use the timeline editor. And here we go, as you can see, my video is now downloading. If you then go back to your dashboard, the videos will indeed show up here as well, so that you'll never lose them. In order to fully customize your video, click on Export Project to Timeline, and then as you can see, a full video editor shows up. So you've got all of the overlays, all of your clips, text, audio, etc. So the full version of the custom editor will be released very soon, which means that with one single prompt, you can now generate a full video that is already done for you, which you can then even customize to make it perfect within a matter of minutes. This is revolutionizing the faceless YouTube industry by storm. Now what is great as well is, let's say you get stuck anywhere in the process or you need help with the video, there's actually a 24/7 live chat support team which can help you out at all times. You may also check out invideo's YouTube channel for more videos about how you can use this AI video generator. I'll leave a link to them in the description down below. And with that being said, I'll leave my link to invideo AI down below. And with that being said, here's the final result generated.
Third on our list, we're off to sunny Mexico. Imagine living comfortably amidst stunning beaches, historical gems, and warm, welcoming locals. Mexico offers an affordable lifestyle that doesn't skimp on quality or charm. It's a haven for digital nomads.